I've been testing AI tools on this channel for a while now, and one thing I keep running into is this. The moment you want to access a tool that's geo-restricted, or you're working with sensitive data and you actually care about where it goes, you need a VPN. The problem? Most VPN recommendations online are paid lists. So I went ahead and tested the top free options myself: real speed tests, real DNS leak checks, real use.
Welcome back to Nextcope AI, your shortcut to the smartest tool on the market.
Today, the 5 best free VPNs in 2026 ranked from decent to genuinely impressive. Quick note, all test results are from my own setup. Let's get into it. And my number 1 pick after all this testing, FreeVPN Planet. It consistently delivered one of the best overall experiences in my tests, and here's exactly why. It also genuinely came out on top across most of the metrics I care about, and I want to walk you through exactly why. First, it's completely free. No account, no registration, no credit card. Install, open, connect. That's it. And unlike most free VPNs, there's no data cap, no speed throttle, no session timer. I ran extended tests across multiple days. The connection stayed stable. For AI tool workflows where you might be uploading large files or streaming generated video, unlimited free access is a meaningful differentiator. Here's what the free plan actually gives you: AES 256 encryption, the same standard used by banks and government systems. Kill switch: if the VPN drops, your connection cuts automatically. Your real IP never leaks, even during reconnects. DNS leak protection: I tested it. Clean results. Multi-platform: Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, Linux, and browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Every device you work across is covered. Romania jurisdiction: outside the 5 or 9 or 14 eyes surveillance alliances. That's an important legal distinction if you care about where your data could theoretically be requested. Free users get access to servers in 5 until 6 locations. That's enough for most use cases, bypassing geo restrictions, protecting your connection on public Wi-Fi, keeping your IP private while using AI tools. If you ever want to scale up, there's a premium tier with 1,260 plus servers across 65 countries, dedicated gaming and streaming servers, double VPN, onion over VPN, and up to 10 simultaneous devices, starting at around $2 per month. But the free plan stands fully on its own. You don't need to upgrade. And honestly, for a free VPN, the overall experience felt surprisingly polished. Setup was fast, the connection stayed stable, and across multiple days of testing, it handled everyday browsing and AI workflows way better than I expected from a completely free service. But in terms of real-world performance, ease of use, and genuinely unlimited free access across every major platform, FreeVPN Planet was the most complete free VPN I tested in 2026. Best for anyone who wants a fully capable, truly free VPN with no registration and no limits, whether you're protecting your AI tool workflows, accessing geo-restricted content, or just keeping your browsing private. Number 2, Hide Me Free. This one has something most free VPNs don't: an independently audited no-logs policy. A third party has actually verified the privacy claims. That's the ProtonVPN standard applied to a different product. Free plan: unlimited data, 8 server locations, and, genuinely surprising for a free tier, kill switch and split tunneling. Split tunneling lets you route specific apps through the VPN while everything else uses your regular connection. If you're running AI tools that need VPN access while your local workflow stays on your normal network, that's actually a useful feature. No registration required to start. My speed tests came in around 50 to 60 megabits per second on the free tier, which is the strongest in this list. The limitation: only 8 server locations, and speed is somewhat capped compared to paid. But for a verified, unlimited, properly featured FreeVPN, Hide.me punches above its weight. Best for users who want audited privacy plus real features like split tunneling, even without paying. Number 3, VPNly. Here's what made this one stand out in my testing. Zero friction. No account creation, no email, no personal data. I installed it and was connected in under 30 seconds. For a tech audience that's used to tools that just work, this feels right. What's under the hood? AES 256 encryption, a kill switch, full DNS, and WebRTC leak protection. I ran a DNS leak test while connected, came back clean. That matters, because DNS leaks are one of the most common ways free VPNs quietly expose your actual location. Swiss jurisdiction, strict no logs policy, unlimited bandwidth with no session timer. Available on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and as a browser extension. So it covers every environment you're working in. The free tier has a more limited server selection compared to paid options. But the zero registration model combined with solid core security features makes it one of the most interesting free options I've tested. Best for anyone who wants to be protected in under a minute without handing over any personal information whatsoever. Number 4, ProtonVPN Free. If you care about privacy at a technical level, ProtonVPN is the name that keeps coming up, and for good reason. It's Switzerland-based, independently audited, fully open source. Researchers and security professionals actually inspect the code. That's a different level of verifiability compared to most VPNs. The free tier is genuinely unlimited. No data cap, no session cutoff. In late 2025, they expanded free server access to 10 countries, which is a meaningful upgrade. The honest limitation: free servers are noticeably slower than paid. And you can't manually select a server location, the app picks for you. On my tests, I got around 20 to 35 megabits per second, which works for most tasks, but isn't great for high-bandwidth AI video tools. Still, for privacy-first workflows, especially if you're handling sensitive data or using tools you don't want tied to your real IP, ProtonVPN Free is the most trustworthy no-cost option on this list. Best for privacy-focused users, researchers, developers, anyone who needs verified no-logs protection without paying. At number 5, Windscribe. Windscribe gives you 10 gigabytes of free data per month after email verification. For most casual use cases, browsing, accessing geo-restricted AI tools, quick research sessions, that's a usable amount. What I liked: clean UI, no ads in the app, servers in 10 countries, and a build-your-own-plan option where you can literally pay $1 per month per server location. That's an unusually flexible pricing model. Speed test results: solid for browsing, around 40 to 60 megabits per second on a 200 megabit per second connection. Not the fastest, but consistent. Where it falls short, 10 gigabytes runs out fast if you're doing anything data-intensive, streaming, large file transfers, or heavy AI tool usage. Once it's gone until next month. Best for casual users who want a well-designed free VPN for occasional use. Alright, quick summary before the outro. Zero friction, zero sign-up, FreeVPN Planet or VPNly. Both connect in under a minute with no account. Most trustworthy privacy: ProtonVPN or Hide.me. Both have independent audits and open verification. Best features on a free tier: Hide.me, split tunneling, and kill switch are genuinely rare at no cost. Best for casual, occasional use with a data cap: Windscribe. Overall best package: FreeVPN Planet. No cap, no account, works on everything, and the performance holds up in real testing. All of these are free to try. Link for each one is in the description. That's my full breakdown of the best free VPNs in 2026. Tested, ranked, no fluff. FreeVPN Planet link is first in the description. No sign up needed, just download and you're protected. If you found this useful, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this video reach more people. Subscribe if you want more tool tests like this one. And drop a comment. What AI tools have you been using that need VPN access? I'm curious what workflows people are running. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart AI tools. This is Nextcope AI. See you in the next one.